This is 11.6b of geometry. So we're going to continue talking about spheres, and now we're going to talk about the volume of a sphere. So the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, when you're entering this in on your calculator, if you don't have a calculator that you can do fractions very well with, multiplying by 4/3 is the same thing as multiplying by 4 and then dividing by 3. So we've got a sphere. Whew, that's pretty bad. With a diameter of 60 inches. So if the diameter is 60 inches, that means that the radius is 30 inches. And we want volume to the nearest cubic inch. So volume is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. So V equals 4/3 pi 30 cubed. So that's 4/3 pi 30 cubed is 27,000. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 27,000 times 4, which gives me 108,000, and I'm going to divide it by 3, which gives me 36,000. So 36,000 pi. If I multiply in pi, we get 113,000, sorry, and 97. And we're working in inches, so this is inches cubed. Right now we're talking about volume, not surface area. So inches cubed. Okay, so now we're given what the volume is, and we want to find the surface area. So remember, volume is 4/3 pi r cubed, and surface area is 4 pi r squared. So we know that the volume is 4,200 cubic feet. So volume is 4/3 pi r cubed, and we got 4,200 for our volume. And we're looking to find r, right? The only thing you need to find the volume is r. The only thing that you need to find the surface area is r, our radius, right? So I need to solve this. To get rid of a fraction, you multiply by the reciprocal. So you flip the fraction. So I'm going to multiply by 3/4 on both sides. Because 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. So either you can do 4,200 times 0.75, because that's the decimal, or you can multiply it by 3 and then divide by 4. That gives us 3,150 equals pi r cubed. Then to get rid of pi, I need to divide by pi, which gives us about 1,003. And then just like whenever we have a square, we take the square root. If we have a cubed, we're going to take the cubed root, which looks like the square root with a little 3 up there. And we get that our radius is about 10 feet, since we're working in feet. Now we can plug that into the surface area equation. So surface area is equal to 4 pi r squared. So 4 pi 10 squared. That's 4 pi times 100. 4 times 100 is 400, so 400 pi. And if we multiply that out, we get 1,257 feet squared. And there's your homework.